everyone, it's time for reading. We're going to start today with our vocabulary about our story. Today we're going to be reading Addy Picks Apples. Let's look at some of the words that we're going to talk about when we read our story. Can you point to fall? Yeah, fall. We talk about fall every day during morning group. The season is fall. The leaves are falling down from the trees and the weather is getting cold. Apple. In our story, we're going to read about picking apples. Do you like apples? The apples grow on trees. There's the apple tree. Wow, there's a lot of apples on that tree. What color are those apples? Yeah, those are all red apples on that tree. Taste. Do you like the way apples taste? And worm. Look at that worm. I hope I don't find that worm in my apple. Oof. Addy picks apples. Let's point and read. It is fall. Addy picks apples. Addy sees a tree. Addy tastes the apple. Oh no. Addy finds a worm. Ooh. Great, now we're going to do our worksheet. Can you write your name at the top? Addy picks apples. What season was it in our story? What season? Was it summer or fall? Yeah, it was fall. Circle fall. You pick apples in the fall. Who likes to pick apples? Mom or Addy? Addy likes to pick apples. What does Addy find? Food or a worm? What was in Addy's apple? Yeah, a worm. Ooh, circle that worm. All right, great work. You've finished all the pages for reading. If you want to do more Apple activities, you can sign on to Boom Cards and do our Apple color sorting or other Apple activities in your Boom Cards account. Good work, everyone.